So that's kind of neat. It's just a little tiny crossing with, these are gate lights. It's got a mini sign made for it. Security camera, what's the base? L-E-W, I've never heard of that. And what's kind of neat is if you look right there, they've got an audible pedestrian signal. Nova DS100 series. It's technically not a railroad crossing bell, but it was used as one. So yeah, that was the video, and if you want to see more videos like that, then click on the title cards to see another train video. And this video should be coming out very, very soon. Later.